Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. In this video I'm continue telling you about the products I'm using in my work, and now I'm going to show you about the top coat, extra gloss top coat from shapeofnail.com. I have created this formula many years ago, and this is the best seller of our products, just because it creates the ideal, the shining, sparkling very gloss layer, and this gloss layer never be ruined with the smart scratches. Sometimes cheap top coats, they brings such effect when the client comes back to you again, and you see that her nails are full of smart scratches. Smart. It seems like the client specially made those scratching with something adhesion with something high gritty product, or like buffer or something like that. You ask her what's happened. You shouldn't blame your client. The problem was with a cheap top coat, but extra gloss top coat will never bring such effect of scratched nail. That's why, guys, I suggest you to try exactly this product and do the same nails like I do for my clients. You can see that nail by nail, set by set, clients are coming back with a good quality nails. They have practically no liftings, and they're glossy. They're still glossy, and they never cut these nails with a nail polish or something like that, and after even 2 months they're still glossy and they have no liftings. And this is of course because of using extra gloss top coat. I suggest you to try this one. And the next analog of extra gloss top coat, analog of the quality, this is the matte top coat from shapeofnail.com. You will create the special matte effect, not satin effect. Exactly the matte effect, those famous matte effect that nail masters from the Instagram, they're showing in beautiful nail designs, those matte nails. You can try exactly this product, and this matte top coat, exactly that product I use in my work, and it also protects from liftings, and also protects from yellow effect. So guys, you can try these amazing products. Don't forget to click that like button and watch this video to the end. I love you.